Please
Sure,
avail us that. Thank
sure.
you.
I've
Thank you.
started recording now.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you. So see, Billings has a very less unemployment rate because of the business trade retail distribution center for the region is located in Billings. So the good job opportunities are available for the students. In fact, we are having good number of job opportunities for our new students who are going there and studying. So on-campus jobs are also available. Starting wages are like $12 per hour. Billings is the largest city in Montana and it is 1,000 kilometers east of Seattle. Very safe and welcoming community. The local community people are very good and they are very welcoming. And Yellowstone National Park, which is the world's first national park, that's a 200-kilometer ride from the campus. So, Billings is also named as one of the best places to open up businesses by Forbes magazine and Fortune magazine in last few years. And it is also named as the best city of 2016 by Outside magazine. Montana is ranked number 8 for most secure places to live in United States with most satisfied communities. It is also named in top 100 best places to live index 3 times. So living in Montana is actually cost of living is less. You are having good number of job opportunities. The environment is very good. So I'll be discussing about now why you should come to MSUP. We are providing world-class teaching to our students with the latest methods of technology and the satisfaction level of students are quite good because of the class size ratio. That's very less. We are having 18 is to 1 class size ratio, which ensures all the access of the teachers and staffs to their students. Atmosphere is very natural as we discussed. And yes, we are offering over 100-degree options to our students, including associates, bachelors, pre-professionals, and master's program. MSUB is a highly accredited university because we have got accreditation from AACSB. This accreditation has been given to 5% of the universities across the world. And the employment opportunities are quite good. Montana is a great employer. There are very good number of businesses opening every year in Montana. Studying at MSUB is quite affordable. The fee structure is not very high, and the best thing which I like about the university personally is the scholarships. So we have been offering good number of scholarships to our students. I'll be discussing about the scholarships in my later slide. Let's talk about the eligibility requirements if you want to study at MSU. So if you want to study an undergraduate or associate program, you must have completed your high school with 2.5 GPA at least, and your English proficiency requirements are IELTS 5.5 overall. So if it is less in any module, but overall it's 5.5, then also it's fine, you can still apply. TOEFL 68, PTE 50, Duolingo 85. And so these are the requirements to study an undergraduate or an associate program. For a master's degree or for a graduate program, you must have completed your bachelor's with 3.0 GPA. Your English proficiency should be IELTS 6.5 overall, TOEFL 79, PTE 68, Duolingo 100, and GRE GMAT has been waived off except Masters in Public Relations. So these are the requirements, basic requirements if you want to study these programs. So let's talk about the application process. When you are sending us an application, you must submit your documents, your IELTS, your your high school records, your passport copy, so and your application fee. Application fee for an associate or undergraduate program is $35, and for graduate it's $45. So usually admission times takes 2 to 3 business days, and within that time you receive your offer letter. Afterwards, you need to submit your bank statement and financial form just to show the annual cost of your study in your bank account. that ensures your amount and that ensures the university that you can afford studying at MSUB. So within next 1 week of time, you will receive your I-20. So here is a new update. Now, earlier we were sending I-20s through courier. So the students had to pay the courier charges as well. But now, due to the current COVID situation, we have started sending I-20s through emails. So you can save that amount here. That's quite a good option now. And about the graduate program, with the application form, you need to submit your personal statement, your IELTS records, your passport, your letter of references, and your resume. So your admission usually takes 1 month of time, and the reason behind this is that we need to get your evaluation done because you have already done your bachelor's, so your best evaluation is required if you want to study a graduate program. So these are the few points, interesting points now. What if student has not done IELTS or their bands are less in IELTS? For those students also, we are having good option of conditional admission, wherein they can take intensive English learning program with the main course of subject. This program is for 8 weeks that cost around $3,000. That's again a good option. And you are having good number of courses available at MSUB, including College of Business, College of Health Professions and Science, College of Liberal Arts and Social Sciences, and we have associate degrees. We have College of Education. So bachelor's in accounting, finance, management, marketing, information systems, and we have few health-related programs like Bachelor's in Health in Human Performances, Human Services, and we have an Arts and Sciences program like Bachelor's in Biology, Chemistry, Communication Arts, Environmental Studies, Psychology, Public Relations, etc. There are few good programs in associate degree as well. If you are looking for a low budget program, you can go for an associate degree. Associate in General Studies, Business Administration, Computer Programming, etc. So these are the few programs I have mentioned here. Apart from this, we can also, you can contact Mrs. Bello. They'll be able to check your profile and they can suggest you best options we are having. So let's go through this small slide.
My name is Manal Kaur and I am from Lahore, Pakistan. My name is Gehna Gupta and I am from Delhi, India.
My name is Mohammed Al-Mubayid. I'm from Saudi Arabia.
My name is Amir and I'm from Iran.
My name is Ding Sihong and I'm from China.
My name is Mambi Koulibaly and I'm from Mali, West Africa.
I like having small colleges, small classrooms, and like a smaller community because then you can progress more in your academics more.
Like since I came, I have been here for 1.5 years now. No one said no to me till now. They keep saying yes whatever you ask them to, so they're really nice.
I love it. Thumbs up. I just love it here. The people, the entire management, the instructor, the students, everybody is so good and they just make you feel like you're a part of this already.
I think if anything that MSUB has actually exceeded my expectations, like whether it's education or whether it's the living standards, it's very good. And people around here have been very helpful.
I feel like the time here might be one of the best times in my life.
It's a family. It's very easy to make friends here. And when you meet friends here, like they help you a lot.
The community is a really friendly community. It's not a big city, so you just walk around, you see people just greeting each other, helping each other out.
What we're getting here is not just education, it's a lifestyle. We're knowing like how to live our life in a better way. And it's actually one of the best experiences that I have ever been through.
Whenever I tell people that, okay, I'm from Pakistan and this is my first time traveling alone and I've never had this experience before, everybody is just ready to help me. They're giving me their cards or their numbers, like if you ever need help with the groceries or anything, you want to go somewhere, just give us a call and we can take you there.
No matter who you are, no matter where you come from, they raise you as a family?
MSUB 10 out of 10.
So that was about the experience of few international students who are already studying there. Apart from this, I want to add few more things about the university, that we have been running few clubs and organizations, especially for our international students, because when we are traveling abroad or we are going to any different countries, so I understand that it's difficult initially to get along with the culture or the community. So there are few programs like Billings Friendship Families Program or Multicultural Club, wherein they ensure that people are getting involved with the local families, and local families are very supporting in Billings. They are always helping, and with the warm nature, they are welcoming everybody. So these programs are running successfully in Billings. So students are very happy. They have already shared many good reviews about these programs. So these are few glimpses about the university, different parts of the university, including Petro Hall, including the Students' Union building, library, their student housing, balcony, gym, etc. Here is the tuition cost structure of associate, bachelor's, and master's degree for a year. So if you want to study an associate degree, annual tuition cost is $9,010. Bachelor's, it's $19,550, and master's, it's $17,450. That's the annual tuition cost. And this is about the MSUB scholarship awards. So we have been giving awards for our associate and bachelor degree students. If you have a GPA of 2.75 or above, you are eligible for a scholarship. Associate degree, the award amount starts from $500. It goes up to $2,500. And bachelor's award amount starts from $2,000. It goes up to $10,000, provided your GPA is 2.75 or above. Awards are limited. Early application is encouraged to ensure your consideration. So we are giving awards on the basis of the applications coming. Addition to that scholarship, we are also having these two scholarships for our international students, Yellowstone and Global Leadership Scholarship. The award amount is $1,000 and $1,500. So they have a criteria of their minimum GPA student has to maintain like 2.5 or 3. So then you are eligible for the scholarship. And there is no such rule that you can only take one scholarship. If you are eligible, you can get more than one scholarship. So this picture shows how associate degree works. So if you want to go for an associate degree, that's for 2 years. So you will be studying for 2 years. It's actually a pathway or a transfer program wherein you study any degree for 2 years in MSUB City College, and then you can work for 1 year under OPT. OPT is optional practical training. So afterwards, if you wish to stay longer in USA, you can transfer yourself to university or to any university and study for another 2 years. This is how you will complete your bachelor's degree. And yes, again, you will be eligible for 1 year of work permit, that is OPT, optional practical training. So this way you can work and you can study and you can earn a degree. So your work is also increasing and you're also getting a good degree from a reputed university. So this is how the associate program works. So that's all from my end now. I have shared the information about the university, admission requirements, eligibility, and how life is at MSUB and their cost structure. If you have any queries, you can ask me. We can discuss your queries now.
Hello, Sonia.
Hello, Mrs. Bell.
While we are waiting for questions to start dropping, can you please explain to our people those who can do the associate program. And if they can work while studying.
Yes,
So
they can.
please speak that while I do
Yeah.
the other
See,
questions later.
as we discussed just now about the associate degree program, that's a 2 years of program. And yes, you can work and you can study in the same way. That's not an issue. There are good jobs available on campus as well. And the associate degree is basically for 2 years. So after 2 years, anyways, you are going to get 1 year of OPT. That's an optional practical training. And in simple words, it's a 1 year of work experience. Apart from this, your part-time job you can work inside the campus, and